has to. It is used to show obligation. You know what is
Sir, what is application?
majburi? Means you are abided. Means you are something that you have to do at any cost. Obligation means there is no other way. There is no alternative for this. Suppose your mom has to cook food for the family. मेरी मम्मी को खाना पकाना पड़ता है तो कहीं ना कहीं ऑब्लिगेशंस हैं. हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं बाध्यता.
Like,
सम हाँ, जैसे मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. स्कूल जाना मैंडेटरी है ना. आई हैव टू गो टू
yes.
स्कूल. It is not a choice. You can say I go to school. It's a general
So,
information.
so it's
हाँ.
a obligation sentence. Like,
Yes.
have to. It is mandatory.
Yeah. Sometimes you can also say when something is necessary, means you can also show necessity. Necessity like you have to take medicines. Your father has to take medicine. मतलब उनको
It is
दवाई.
necessary.
Yes, yes, yes. Sometimes very compulsory.
Thanks, very compulsory.
Compulsory
Okay,
means
like
what?
you have to do. You don't have to leave that.
Yes, like suppose I have to wear tie to attend my school. That's compulsory, no? मुझे टाई
Yes,
लगाना पड़ता है. Compulsory.
that
Sometimes
is
you have,
obligation sentence. Necessary,
yes.
compulsory.
And again responsibility means suppose if you have
Like,
to wait. हाँ, tell
my
me.
mother has a responsibility of
हाँ.
caring us.
Yeah, that is. So you have to, has to, and have to can be used in this sense, and you can speak a lot of sentences when you have to start with. जैसे this is also one of the sentence structures. I have to go, and it can also predict for the future. जैसे आज मुझे शाम को जाना है. I have to go in the evening. मुझे कंप्यूटर का कोर्स करना है. I have to do a computer course. मुझे होमवर्क करना है. मीन्स यू हैव नॉट डन योर होमवर्क येट. लेकिन अभी आपको करना है, कुछ देर बाद करना है. तो यू आर ऑल्सो obliged, ओके, फॉर द टाइम बीइंग इन द फ्यूचर दैट आपको यह काम करना है. तो इसका सेंस भी आई हैव टू से ही होता है. हैव टू और हैज टू. तो देखो हैव टू डू माई होमवर्क मीन्स व्हाट. आई हैव टू डू माई होमवर्क. इफ यू हैव टू से डेली तो मीन्स आपको यह काम रोज करना पड़ता है.
Like, that is necessary. You have to, you know, like it's not like if it's
Huh?
my choice. It is
Yeah, it is not.
necessary.
Yeah, it
It's
is not your choice.
mandatory.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm saying the same. The same thing. The sense is also for the future. I have to do my homework.
I had to do my homework daily, or
No, no, it's for the future sense also. I have to do my homework in the evening.
I had to do my homework at evening. Okay.
In the evening
It is
today.
about
Past,
past also. It is used for
future,
past too, and it is used for future also.
future, future. Like I have to do my home in the evening today. आज शाम को मुझे अपना homework करना है.
I had to eat my dinner at 7 o'clock today.
Yes, yeah. This also sense is future, but you are obliged to do the same. अब यू कैन से सर 2 दिन के अंदर मुझे या प्रोजेक्ट जमा करना है.
So I will say I had to submit
नॉट
this.
हैव. नॉट
I
हैड.
had
हैव.
have
Yes, yes, yes. I have to submit my project within 2 days. Not had to.
I have to submit my project within 2 days.
Yes, means I
At
have.
these all times we have to use have. Like, if
Yes,
we are not talking about past or future, sorry, future.
yes. So means you are obliged. You are responsible to do something. Something is
Yes,
compulsory and necessity. Suppose.
something not to leave.
Yes, yes, this is, I'm expecting the same the answer. Something you should not live. Suppose आपको, आप बीमार हो तो आपको दवाई खानी है शाम को. यह दवाई आपको 3 बार खानी है. तो you
Yes,
have
sir.
to eat this medicine twice a day. और कभी कभी that you have to go for a plan. जैसे अगले साल हमें गोवा जाना है.
तो I have to go to Goa
नेक्स्ट
uh,
ईयर.
next year. I have to go to Goa next year.
हाँ. देन अगेन लॉट ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. पापा मुझे एक बात आपसे पूछनी है. हाउ टू स्पीक.
So, Dad, I have to ask a question with you.
यस. मुझे आपको कुछ बताना है.
I have to tell you something.
ओके. मुझे पायलट बनना है.
Okay. I I I had I want to be pilot. I have
आई
to
हैव
be
टू आई हैव टू बी
I
अ
have
पायलट.
to be a pilot.
Means you are saying that it is compulsory for me. I have to do. I am obliged to do. Sometimes there is no alternative. Okay, I have to
Okay.
do something. Okay, मुझे अपना लैपटॉप मुझे एक नया लैपटॉप खरीदना है.
I have to buy a new laptop.
Okay, you understood.
Yes, sir,
हम
I
लोग
understood.
हम लोगों को यह घर की सफाई करनी है. हम लोगों को
Can
इस
you
घर
repeat again?
हम लोगों को अपने घर की सफाई करनी है.
Okay. We have to clean our house.
To make some sentences, I have given you some time. We have to say sentences बनाओ and you have to say sentences बनाओ. Make 5 or 4 sentences.
Okay.
Okay.
Four for each.
Right now, because I have to check.
Okay, four for each. Okay, sir.
Make it faster. I'm waiting for your answers. I have to, we have to, you have to. Then again, he has to. She has to. They have to. These are the things that you have to make sentences. And again, you have to go with the negative.
Yesterday.
I have given you some format to write it down. She has to be taller, otherwise she will not be a pilot. Okay, she will not be a pilot. There must be some article. Then okay, make more sentences.
Okay. Yes, sir, I'm making.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that. Let me see. 5 minutes. कि मेरी मम्मी को खाना नहीं बनाना पड़ता है. कैसे बोलूँगा.
My mother has to cook. Has not. My mother has not to cook every day.
No, this is not a right sentence. Look, this is the use of have to and has to. And
So
have
it
to.
will be has to.
No, it's a negative. Again, I'm asking you that मेरे पापा को ऑफिस नहीं जाना पड़ता है संडे को. How to speak?
My father has. My father hasn't has not has not to go office on Sunday.
No, beta. This is not right structure. When you have to make negative sentences, then you have to use do and does. Okay? The
So
use of huh, my mom. I'm writing this right now. Okay? My mom does
does
not, and then it will be have to. My mom does not have to cook food. मेरी मम्मी को खाना नहीं पकाना पड़ता है घर पे डेली, बिकॉज मेड कम्स एंड शी कुक्स. मेरे पापा को यस
Don't have to cook food at home daily.
यस अब मेरे मेरे डैडी को संडे को ऑफिस नहीं जाना पड़ता है.
My dad does not have to go to office on Sunday.
Now you understood, no? Now I
Yes,
will ask you some frequently questions, okay? मुझे सुबह में जल्दी उठना पड़ता है.
I have to wake up early at the morning.
In the morning.
In the morning.
मुझे जल्दी नहीं उठना पड़ता है.
I I don't have to wake up early in the morning.
मेरी मम्मी को जल्दी उठना पड़ता है सुबह में.
My mother has to wake up early in the morning.
मेरी मम्मी को सुबह में जल्दी नहीं उठना पड़ता है.
My mother does not have to
Wake up.
wake up early in the morning.
मुझे असाइनमेंट जमा करने पड़ते हैं.
I have to submit my assignments.
मेरे दोस्त को असाइनमेंट नहीं जमा करना पड़ता है.
My friend does not have to submit assignments.
Okay. उन लोगों को रात में काम करना पड़ता है.
Can you repeat again?
उन लोगों को मीन्स दे रात में काम करना पड़ता है.
They have to work at night.
और उन लोगों को रात में काम नहीं करना पड़ता है.
They don't have to work at night.